Right, when we get to this end, whoops, sorry, we are going to pull the cotton through, sorry, and then go up to the end there. By going to the end, it means you don't have these sort of odd shaped ends afterwards. Right, now then, make sure you can see where you started, which is over there somewhere. Push those out of the way and just put in a stitch to hold the two together. So your two sides will now be connected and you've got this lovely little frill. Okay. Right, now this is the wrong side, and all I'm going to do here is another little stitch to hold it tight and in place. Then I've got my stamens, and the stamens come double-ended. If you've ever wondered why, it's because you can then fold them in half and you've got, instead of 3 stamens, we now have a 6. Push that through there. Oops. And if it won't go through, sometimes what I do is I use a crochet hook and just pull them through. Now you want about that much sticking out at the end, just in case you want to do something afterwards and you've got something to attach the flower with. Okay, then at the back now, all you need to do is go through this a few times to anchor those stamens in. Tie off, and your little flower is, that's pretty right, and your little flower is ready. Have fun! Oh, before I go, my next project will be making a flower corsage. Could you give me the thumbs up in the comments below if you'd like me to make something like this? I mean, I've done this one in black and white. I'll probably do one in pink with the flowers, with the leaves at the back, because somebody asked me to make one for a wedding outfit, but I can make them in any colour you like. So give me the thumbs up if you fancy something like this. Thanks very much. Bye.